Alright, so today we're going to be swapping out the buttons on a PlayStation 4 controller. I like to buy controllers that are different colors, and I like to swap out all the buttons. That's my thing, I guess. So you're going to start off by removing all 4 screws out of the back. They're all very easy to see. And then there's a couple of clips that are inside. Your goal here is you want to kind of squeeze them in, and that's gonna pop open the controller a little bit. If you need to use something to pry it open, that's also recommended. Once you open it, there's going to be a ribbon cable connecting the bottom to the top. You're going to want to carefully, very carefully, undo that ribbon cable. There is a screw holding the PCB on. There's another ribbon cable going through the top of the controller into the PCB. Just undo that. Then everything just comes apart pretty easily. Then from that point, all you gotta do is just replace the buttons. If you need more of an explanation on how to change out the triggers, I'm gonna refer you to my earlier video. And also, I'm not changing the thumbsticks for this build, but if you'd like to, it's very simple. They just pull off, the new ones will slide right down on the post, and that's it. Just change out the buttons, put the rubber grommets back on. Make sure the black parts are going the same way as they were when you took it off, because it matters. So then you're going to want to put everything back. The easiest way you're going to have to get that little cable back into the PCB from the top is just use a pair of tweezers. If you just go at it for a little bit, you'll get it. It's not very hard. It just takes a little bit of work. After you get all that put back together, put the little screw in. Then, well, you're going to want to plug the battery back in. Then reconnect the ribbon cable. And then just snap everything back together. Screw it all back in, and then you're good to go.